What is antimatter? Well, antimatter is a matter which is made up of antiparticles. And what are antiparticles? Well, antiparticles are particles which have same mass to matter particles but they have opposite charge. For example, the anti-electron is an antiparticle of electron, and it's also known as positron because it has positive charge and it has same mass as the electron. And antiproton, which has negative charge, has same mass as proton but it has negative charge. A proton has a positive charge. So what happens when particles and antiparticles meet? Well, when particles and antiparticles meet, they annihilate each other in a flash of light. It can be proven by E equals mc squared. Their mass is converted into energy and which is released in form of light. So why there's so little antimatter? Well, to be sure, it's not a concern with laws of physics because laws of physics are same for antimatter as well as matter. So what's wrong? Well, there are many theories and to be exact, no one precisely knows the answer. But I'm going to discuss only two. So one theory can be that there are antimatter galaxies where there are antimatter beings and antimatter life forms which are even intelligent because antimatter can even pair up and form complex matter just like as regular matter do. It is governed by the same physics laws. So it is quite possible that there are far away galaxies that are made entirely of antimatter. And second theory can be that there is an asymmetry between matter and antimatter. See, when the Big Bang happened, the equal number of matter and antimatter particles were created. But well, this might not be a case. For every 10 billion matter particles, there was antimatter particles. There was a 10 billion plus one matter particle, and the matter and antimatter particles annihilated each other, and what was left survived. So matter survived. There was an asymmetry between matter and antimatter. Why there was an asymmetry? Well, we don't know, but there are many hypotheses about this. For example, one hypothesis is concerned that Higgs boson gave unequal mass to Higgs boson is a particle which gives some atomic particle their mass. So it gave unequal mass to electrons and positron or matter or antimatter, and which resulted in this whole unsymmetry. But we cannot be sure. More research is needed, but it's definitely gonna be very cool.